Just another fun day in Roblox Brookhaven. Today was a fun day. I'm just going the crosswalk so I could go around. I'm just on the way back to my house. Wait, something's happening on my iPad. I'm gonna take a look. Oh my God! It says there's gonna be a massive snowstorm. Stay inside. What the heck?
Okay, guys, that was crazy. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm gonna text Anthony, my cousin, to come over to my house. This is crazy. Okay, just click on send. I'm gonna get out my car and drive over to my house. Oh my god, guys, I'm so scared right now. Okay, so we are on the way back to my house right now. So, yeah. How did this just happen? It was just a normal day. Oh, look, Anthony's already there. That's perfect. Okay, guys, Anthony is now at my front door. I told him how crazy it is. Oh, my God. Like, how did he make it? Like, I'm asking how did he make it? It's like freezing cold outside. I'm gonna tell him what happened. There is a bad snowstorm. Said that. It's going to be terrible. Okay, guys, I'm so scared right now. Yeah, it looks like freezing outside. Okay, Anthony, let's just relax and watch some TV. Just gave him roommate permission and turn on my TV. Yes, Dolphin Life is on, my favorite movie. Just told him Dolphin Life is on. Oh, and he just said, I love Dolphin Life. Wait. Breaking news is back on. Breaking news. Oh, great. It's on. Oh, my God. They said downtown flooded is... Okay, guys, he just said, Ryan, let's prepare. I just said, I have an emergency kit upstairs. Let's go prepare. Let's go get it, okay? But first, I'm going to turn on the fireplace. Okay, it's on now. There it is. Okay. So I just said follow me. Let's go upstairs. What? He's not following me. Come on, Anthony. What? He's probably saying something to his YouTube channel. I don't know right now. Ew. We don't have time for this. Let's go upstairs. Come on. And get some supplies. Said follow me. This is, I'm mad now. I'm gonna say, follow me. That's your job. Luckily about this house that I live in, there's a secret attic place upstairs if you crawl up here. I said, I have supplies here. You could climb up this ladder that's hidden. And then here, my emergency supplies room. I have supplies here. I just said, let's bring it downstairs. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, I think I know what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to put a bed down. First, because you need to sleep in my house. Now I'm gonna board up our doors a little more. That should be good. It's so bad outside. There's some food on this counter. There's an apple, banana, some chips. It'll be enough to last for about a little while. I just went grocery shopping yesterday, so that's perfect. At least we still have our TV powered and stuff. I said, let's go, Anthony, let's go check my power grid and see if it's still good. Yeah, let's go check my power grid. My power grid is in here if you didn't know. And it looks like it is red. Oh my god. Oh my god. When it's red, that means it's not gonna work.
Oh my god, lost power. Grab a flashlight. Oh my god, guys, it's 30 degrees Fahrenheit in here. Oh my god, I'm so scared, guys. We both have flashlights. Okay, guys, I think we're just gonna go to bed. Good night. Oh my god. Guys, it's been like 2 weeks. Anthony, it's been so long. Let's check outside. Follow me. Yes! Yes, it's back to normal. Yes, it's back. Back to normal dance.
Back to normal dance. Yeah, finally. It's been forever, like 3 weeks. Just probably 1, I think. Let me get this coat and hat and scarf off of me. It's so hot out here. Let's change. Let's pick an outfit, not this one. This one. We're both dancing now. Okay, guys. If you liked this video, leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember to subscribe to my cousin's YouTube channel, which is at Anthony Lang /we. Bye.